Okay, good days, members. Welcome back to my Bursa Thrive 2023 episode 1. Okay, this is the first episode for this year. Okay, after a long rest holidays. Okay, so for next week we will find some interested data will be coming out. The important is this one, the CPI data. I change color first. Okay, so this CPI data. Okay, so but this time the CPI data might be have a chance may drop not much, or I think might be a flat compare December. This is because of the most important indicator like food, all the food service still maintain high price. Okay, but the two major factor that is a pull down the entire CPI number is one is the gasoline and another one is the used car. Okay, so both of these two indicator has been shown that the significant have something is already start to turn. Okay, it's not continue drop down like this as the most unpredictable one is this used car price that we thought that they will be a continue go down some more. Okay, because it's already been escalate too fast after the COVID reopen. Okay, so however after that this one is look like it's like tuning to come up again. Okay, but only a small tune. But if anything happen to be effect the CPI number become higher, then it will be a cause a lot of trouble to the stock market. Okay, so US market as usual. Okay, so I make it more bigger here. Wait, I'm easy to see. Okay, so you can see that in US I'm using the US futures like US 30. Okay, what we can see here this is below here. This is the normal VF 2.1. And the below one, this one is the VF trade zone. Okay, these two indicators is likely to be launched on next week. Okay, we have a package of for all Trade VSA member. You can add in this plan with 250. Okay, so to get these two indicator together. Okay, so now I let we check on the stock and how we use these two indicator to help us to have okay, so for US, you can see that the rebound has been seen the last year is already formed a W, and now it's already at this high point. Okay, so already for a sideway for a while. Okay, but however, the entire thing is still look okay. Is because of this the VF is still continuous on the uptrend. Okay, this is the VF line. As long as it did not drop below this ML line, okay, so the momentum to going up is attached. Okay, so that means still okay. But however, what we have observed here is this the VF trade zone. Okay, so this two where higher the graph is, that means the momentum of going up is higher. Okay, so example like when you have a uptrend and together with the VF, then you will result have a aggressive move moving up. Okay, but after that when you have a VF turn red color, then this is the green color is going to be getting a light green. Okay, the light green and the red is really a little bit different because the red is confirmed is a drop, but light green that means still have a chance to rebound. Okay, but the rebound rate, okay, so you will need to be determined later. Okay, so when you can see at here, okay, so the VF has been dropped in this at this round. Okay, so at this round out here and here. Okay, so after you have a rebound, this is the rebound. Okay, but however when you want, because last time, okay, VF 2.1. okay, so this one is a price action. This is price action, and sometimes this price action is depend on the volume sometimes calculate has been how to say is make it actually confuse some indicator. So that's why this VF trade zone will be escalate take out this volume just purely on the moving average and the price change and the ratio. Okay, so because when sometimes when we analysis the index, okay, so the volume is quite not significant because the volume is like hoo-ha go up. Okay, so some point is not relevant, but some point is do lah. So that's why I got two indicators we need to see together. Okay, so during that time you can see here the VF and the VF trade zone. Trade zone already print to a red color. That means that this rebound actually is not really genuine one. You might be not rebound quite far. Okay, so that's why this one is happening. Okay, but however, if this one is no drop by, is continue moving up. Okay, actually the trade zone will also change to a green color. But because of a market, sometimes you have a lot of black swarm. But that means unpredictable things. Okay, so certain significant change on this one. Okay, so that's why when we are come to here, okay, here actually have a data will likely to turn down. This is the last year that beginning of 2023 we are. I also thought that this one will drop, but however, while my positioning myself in a put warrant have cost me some loss lah. Okay, so but because this since he's already turned green, that means I need to cut loss. No choice already. Okay, but however, after it turned green, the VF is still continue moving quite nicely, but the zone is not parallel together because the price volume is look okay, but the price change is not like you have put a lot of effort here. You have put a lot of effort here, but you cannot break. Okay, the price reflect cannot break up higher. So that's why this one is make it a little bit risky at this time, because it's look like the chart has some pulling weight from going up. Okay, so I think this is also because of the data CPI. Okay, so in the market actually now the market everyone expect the rate to go up, then suddenly hit one maybe about 5%. Okay, 5%. Okay, so hope a little bit will come down. Okay, this is the market, but Powell already say go up will be maintained for a long time. Okay, drop or no drop it depends market. Okay, if the market is still continue strong, so why he want to drop it? Okay, so that's why I now have a problem is like, if your market did not drop or recession did not happen, the economy is still rosy, so the rate will be continue lah. Okay, so we will continue. Okay, so this is the Powell already speak many times in their speech until 2024. Okay, until 2024. If market continue, I think do well, I think the rate will be continue in this manner, because you want to have a strong dollar. Okay, so this is okay, I go back to this one. Okay, how about we can see on our strong dollar? Okay, we go for the index US index dollar. Okay, USD index. Okay, this is index dollar that is already will be need to. Okay, what you can see here, the it been stopped at the high on November, and now it's already dropped back to this at this level, and it looks like it's going to rebound back again. Okay, so this is a very important situation. It's because of, if we continue to rebound, that means there will be cause some significant problem to the market. Okay, so this is things that we need to take note. Okay, so in US actually favor more on US dollar strengthen value. Okay, so when we come back to this market, then actually this is sideways, and be cautious also, because for it to continue moving up like this, you need to have a very good data. Let's say CPI come out very low. Okay, so toward, let's say 5% or 4%, that will have a very good rally. Okay, so but this is but at the flip side, okay, so anything also this might be causing a drop. Okay, so that's why like in this now, actually it's quite really hard to predict the direction. Okay, so for now, actually hopefully it will run for sideways. Okay, and we can have a very good not so violent time market to trade. Okay, so this is a little bit about it. Hang Seng Index have a very good rebound from the low of November until now. Okay, until the latest one. Actually, the highest one here is almost back to 2022 opening. That means the entire 2022 is already been take back. Okay, the rebound almost done back here. Okay, but however, this is only a beginning of the year, not even the first quarter, not yet end yet. Okay, so it looks like already have some correction. Okay, but you can see here in this zone, this is the VF trade zone, and this is a VF 2.1. This is VF line. Okay, so both is still on the, this one is still in the above. Just only that here we already start the trigger of correction. Okay, and also it's come with the green color. You can see it's already turned light green. That means the entire this thing is still on the way going down. Okay, until you see another of a blue triangle to make it like this up. Okay, up. Okay, so but this is as long as the green zone is still in green, that means it's a pullback. Okay, a pullback, you have a more highest hope to rebound. But if this thing drop to a red color, then it will be a big problem. Okay, so you will be a one straight line down. Okay, but for Hang Seng Index, it's not hard to check. It's because it's quite in compare if the for the history. Okay, okay, so it's quite how to say, it's a same period. Okay, the same period, so it's not like a zigzag. Okay, zigzag. Okay, so that's why quite easy to see lah. Only here, because you have like a V shape, then we'll make it a little bit the indicator might be delay. Okay, because you have a V shape, something like that. It's reflect too fast. Okay, but if you're going slow and cool and steady, okay, the index will give you some indicator where is the direction is going up. Okay, so based on this type of a pattern, that means it's in a pullback. Okay, so when you are in a pullback direction, you did not focus too much on buying short. Okay, the buying short is already, I already take profit already, because we are buying here. Okay, so now already dropped back to 20 moving average, and look like it's going to going to test this 40 MA. I think after a touch the 40 MA, they will have a trigger of a blue triangle. Okay, then you have a small rebound. Okay, so you have a small rebound, but only rebound is suddenly the green color here suddenly change something to a red color. It might be end up like this. Okay, it will be end up and testing this 200 MA. Okay, 200 MA will be a very solid plate. Okay, so however, we do not know what data will cause in next week. Okay, so in this position, based on the chart and a technical perspective, okay, so you are trying to invest in a rebound. We are targeting on the rebound. It's no more targeting on the put side. Okay, this is something index for Hang Seng Index, but so far Hang Seng Index has been run out so quite long ago already, quite much already. Okay, so last time reach here is almost 60% from the recovery from the low. Okay, so really rare position, there will be a continue until 100%. Okay, so that's why here is a very good position to short, but until now it's not really a good position to short first, because this one still look like a pullback. Okay, if a pullback, the rebound might be going out like this. Okay, except where you have a rebound, anything change to red color, here change to red color, then the rebound might be coming to fail. Okay, so we will see how the data effect on the Hang Seng Index next week. Okay, so this is following, it will be on Malaysia. Okay, our Malaysia actually last week we see have a drop here. Okay, but however our green this is the VF trade zone still quite good in a green color, but it's already getting very thinner and thinner. You need to have some be cautious also, because we already dropped below this 200 MA. Okay, 200 MA. Okay, but with a GDP of 7% growth last Friday announcement, I think this one will help us to have a rebound a little bit. Okay, so but I will also need to depends on the chart. Okay, from the chart here, usually there will be once you have like this, they will be they need to go up like a series like this. Okay, so except here, you certainly on Monday, you have a trigger of a blue triangle. Okay, because in the US have a positive close on Friday. Okay, so this one might be cause some support for Malaysia to index to go up a little bit further up. Okay, but need to take notes, if anything this one change to red color, this one change to red color, so there will be quite a dangerous. Okay, so when you have a red color, something like that, because this small rebound this little decay, this small rebound sometimes might be something like this. okay, because your zone is already getting lighter. Okay, the momentum at the background is getting lighter already. Suddenly it changed to red color. Okay, because the another support will be the price volume. Because the price volume is already going down already. So any of this green zone is getting weaker and weaker. So anything might be so something like this. Okay, so I afraid this one will be have a jump. Certainly have a big drop. Okay, not a big drop, a few 20 point drop back to 11440. Okay, so this is depends on how the this one because our next support will be around wait, I have a see here. Here should be a very good support for 1440. Okay, because this is the our this one has been have a jump. Okay, so this okay, so this is our Malaysia index. Okay, so we'll see some stock how this thing has been performed. Actually, I have based on our trade trade VSA 360. Okay, so based on the insider. Okay, so this is all got an insider trade. Okay, so an example you can see here. I one thing I like this one is Aventa. Okay, this is Aventa already quite dropped so long. Okay, so he's still in a sleeping mode. Okay, you can see here this is still in a sleeping mode. Okay, so but one thing is not good is day ago is still in green. Okay, I thought they will be like something like this. Okay, so because the VF still okay, but it's suddenly turned red now. Okay, so but this one have a NS double NS here. Okay, so still can have a wash, but it's not a call buy here. Okay, so but just that the chart is look like nice. Okay, but here has continued to move up higher. Okay, this is Aventa and this stock lah. Okay, so it's already on the move to like going to Goring look like. Okay, but because both of the here the VF zone and the VF is both is green color, so there might be a chance of come out, pull back and going up again. Okay, so what based on the VF indicator, anything is still strong here, supposed to be the price should be going up continuously. Okay, but this is not a call buy. You can put it in your watch list, and this is a few stock that you can take a look. Okay, so it's a how to say is also a Goring stock. Okay, but it's already the VF has been in this line quite long ago already. You see the VF continue going up. Okay, but the zone is still negative. Okay, the zone is still negative. But what we see here is the zone look like going to turn because last time it's supposed to be turned here, but suddenly a big drop, then the price is going up again. Okay, so also this is also one of the rebound first. Okay, so no need to be rushed first because sometimes the stock but this look like a very good accumulation because the stock is look like a continuous of buying, but just that the price action still did not reflect any movement yet. Okay, so another one is NWP. Okay, NWP actually is a last on. Okay, so the here is already has a rebound, and this one have a very a lot of drawing. Okay, so this is the Tato Tan. Okay, so has been keep on insider buying in this area. Okay, it's look like both VF also saw see a strong support the price to going up more further. Okay, so this might be a Goring. Okay, so when due to the penny stock, you need to be careful. Okay, so but this stock is definitely have a chance to look at it lah. Okay, this is NWP, and another one is this one wait, this is Chubi. Okay, Chubi is this actually is a stainless steel company. Okay, stainless steel company, and you have an insider buy at this level, and you can check on this trade VSA 360. Okay, for Chubi, where is the let's say example I just show here Chubi. Okay, Chubi. Okay, and actually the ranking of the smart Ruby is quite good also for weight. I like this kind of a company because it's actually this company last time is quite a very strong company. Okay, so this but just that this company has been dropped down because of the some market May before the June, okay, so the price of steel price is going up, okay, so after that it's coming down. But now I look at many of aluminium steel is always like going to rebound again, okay, so it's not like from here you can just click to 6 month, okay, 6 month you can see no all the buy here, okay, so will cause this all this thing in it's like insider buy, okay, insider buy, okay. Once you have an insider buy here and the drop has already been stopped, and you can see both indicators quite good. Here is quite good, so it might be likely have a this one might be break back to 200 MA. Okay, since it's a very it's a profitable stock, okay, so sooner or later I think they will be going out back, okay, they cannot remain forever in a downside one, okay, but the timing lah, okay, actually it's a timing lah, okay, so this is a few stock that I see is quite good, okay, from the analysis of our perspective. But when you come back to our the dashboard, okay, I will show you is the foreign fund, okay, foreign fund. Wait, let me let it to run a little bit, okay. Our foreign fund, but our index look like it's quite supportive, okay, by the nugget especially, okay. Oh yeah, regarding this the nugget, I got one stock that you might be if you miss the Solar West, okay, you can go for this one, okay, Samantai, okay, Samaitan, how to say, is a renewable energy business, okay. But what interesting is this one, okay, this one, okay, usually you happen this one we call it a wash, okay, cuci, okay, so the wash to wash out a lot of weight holder. And one more thing is good is this entire thing still in green, and VF also did not drop below this ML line, okay, so that means the background of the is still good, okay, so that we do not see it might be immediately break down, okay, break out, but I think this one will come down a little bit, and if we really want to going up, this is a chance already, because here is a one peg, then the second peg, then this is the third peg already, okay. Usually you have a 1 2 3, supposed to be something like going up already, okay, but it look like here also got two big volume coming in, okay, it look like a sell, but this one is after you can see the price going back this level, that means it's a fully wash, okay, something like this, the wash, okay, wash before it going up some more, okay. So here also the same wash will pull back a little bit, and it take some time to going up, okay. So as we can know that now the DMP the electrical bill is actually is killing the industrial, okay. So more and more people will turn to a solar, okay. So the first choice definitely is a Solar West lah, okay, Solar West, okay. So this is but Solar West is quite already moving quite high, okay. So now look like it's still it's about to have some correction here, okay, but both indicators still good, okay, still good here, okay. Actually the beginning of Solar West actually is here, okay. So because we need to favor, you can see back here, okay. I put back here, okay. Okay, so I put it, okay. So you focus on this one, okay. So this one, when you have a red color change to green color, and the best thing is we see the green is getting greener and greener, the bar is going up and up, okay. So also the same time the VF bar is going up and up, okay. So that's why he built something like this, okay. So when the price is start sideways, the thing still continue building up, okay, until after the price is like no momentum. So that's why you see a light gray here, okay. So light green here, but however light gray did not mean that it's going to turn, okay. Just about I said that it's like a pullback, okay. So like a pullback, definitely is run higher and higher, okay, until now lah, okay, until now. But when a stock going up higher already, you can really pull back first, okay. So because this one need to test, or maybe it's going up some more, okay. So usually this one you can see the VS continue moving up here, maybe drop a little bit, something like this, okay. As long as it's still in green, the pullback is intact, okay. So this is Solar West, okay. So we'll come back to here. Actually, I want to show you is the problem with our index now. Actually, is this for hopefully after a good result shown by last Friday, the foreign investor is coming back. Okay, if the foreign investor is coming back, then our Malaysia index might be have some good chances to go back to 150. Okay, 150. 150. Okay, so if you are playing futures, actually here is a good chance to drop in a long. Okay, but not recommended to buy or sell. Okay, but sometimes also need to be wait lah. Okay, so indicator come here first. Okay, now the yesterday on Friday, this green up did not trigger any blue triangle yet. Okay, did not put so it's still not confirmed. Okay, you can say that it's still not confirmed. We will be see on Monday how it's closed. Okay, if suddenly Monday close you uptrust, okay, then will be a okay, so there will be a okay. This one might be also happen is because next week Valentine's Day, okay, when you are enjoying a very good dinner, okay, the Poway will, well, not Poway, the US will announce their CPI. Okay, this CPI actually is very important, may cause a lot of direction change in the market. Okay, so for this one, I think is all for this week. Okay, so just want to announce a little bit my program. Okay, so my program will be in the going in the 25th February. Okay, this class actually is a concentrate for structure warrant. Okay, actually the structure warrant is important is when it give you a how to say insurance. Okay, insurance, let's say the stock market is going to crash down or going up. Okay, actually you can benefit a little bit using a structure warrant. Okay, in this structure warrant we'll focus how to what is the method you can use to trade it, because structure warrant is not really direct. We have in Malaysia we have two Macquarie and Naga warrant, that means have come from Naga. Okay, this both warrant you can also trade. This two is a body lah. Okay, so to give you a lot of trading activity. Okay, so if you are not interested in this, you can register. And also once you have registered my class, okay, okay, so you will automatically free. You're automatically free with a 1 year subscription. Okay, so 1 year subscription for this both. Okay, VF 2.1 and VF trade zone. Okay, this VF trade zone. Okay, so this both indicator will be launched soon. Okay, so because now it's still in the preparation, we are estimated we are offer to member price. Okay, is 250. Okay, so if you join my class, just only 483. You already can get two indicator with 1 year subscription. Okay, already 200 something. Okay, so 250. Okay, so you almost just paying another 200 plus. Okay, 200 plus 233 lah. Okay, 233 just for the class of understand the structure warrant and the market cycle. The market cycle is a very important one. Market cycle. Okay, so with a 3-month coaching and monitoring. Okay, we will make sure you understand this structure warrant and you can trade on it. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, so we will see you next week. Okay, bye.